What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review we have the charger port. So I showed y'all this before, but now I'm ready to go ahead and change this charger port because I am ready to be done with this phone. And in this charger port kit, look at these little small drivers. This is funny. And these drivers look like they're about a week old. Little baby drivers. All right, at least with the kit with the screen, they gave you the big drivers. This is very small. So all right, anyways, we are about to change this out, and our battery level is very low. I'm about to power this phone off. All right, we turned the power off. Oh goodness, getting this daggone thing off is a hassle. Now we are going to take these off. Okay, you guys, so we are going to go ahead and get into this. Right here, I'm trying to take off this, I think it's called Taptic engine. All right, so that's one of the first things that I took off. And then after that, I started taking this silver part off, and this was the hardest thing to take off. I'm telling you guys, I don't know why it took me so long to take this thing off, but it was a hassle. I was even getting so frustrated, I was just taking off the rest of the other side. And as you can see, the silver part is still there. Now, one thing I want to say is that I already traded in the phone, but when I put this together, the charger port worked perfectly. It fit correctly. It was the same exact style and everything. And yeah, so y'all see me take everything apart already. That is the old piece, and I am taking it off, peeling it off with the flathead screwdriver right there. And there it goes. I'm being delicate. Even though it's broke, I still want to be delicate because I want to know how exactly it came off so I can put the new one on. I will show y'all some videos that I actually looked at to take this thing off. It was not easy. Changing the screen is definitely easier than changing the charger port for the iPhone 11. Like, comment, subscribe.